And it's Liu, and welcome back to day. I'm not really sure about today, but probably 27. Yes, it's 27, day 27. And welcome back to the game, which is called The Last Banana, where we are trying to find out who would be the boss of this forest, of this jungle. And in today's session I already feel tired, so I just started this timer, and today I want to continue where I started yesterday, which is the welcome scene. And as you can see over here, I have 3 doors which would open up different types of scenes when the collision between the player and the doors are happening. And when this I want to integrate this collision right now, and if I remember correctly, I have implemented this kind of door section, but okay, why do I get these errors before I continue to start this door section? And it looks like okay. Under the weapon, this guy just tries to instantiate bananas, but why? Okay, let's just comment out this section also. And or not just comment out, but let's first find what would be the reason that do I need some type of reference for the player, and I mistakenly yes, it looks like I mistakenly delayed the bananas of the gorilla. So let's just give the gorilla his bananas back, and let him be happy. Get over this scene and copy and paste the bananas over here, because in the welcome scene I want the player to experience the bananas, experience how to throw the bananas to the enemy and how to deal the damage over the enemy. And in order to do this, I want this welcome section to be a kind of tutorial section also. So that's why the player should have his bananas with him. So let's just move the bananas over the back of the player and unlock the tiger scene also. And what else is missing? Here is the weapon, here is the yellow banana. And it seems like it's okay. So what would be the and I do not have. Okay, I have another problem with the random banana generator, and it seems like the banana field this also has a problem. And when I set my gorilla and when I try to throw the this is anyway vector to the difference. So why do I use this anyway, distance to enemy, for implementing this throw percentage? Okay, instead of find object of type, I guess I should have implemented something for, or just give him an enemy as he wanted. So how about create empty game object as the dummy enemy and reset value, and just give this thing anyway section. And let's see that now I can throw the bananas to the other points. Now let's also open up this GUI section, and here is the gorilla, here is the banana section, and where is the eat button? also it's missing in tiger scene, and what I need is the bullfight scene. Here is the eat button, find the GUI, find this eat banana section and implement this, copy and paste it under the GUI section. Okay, under the yellow banana field, around here. That should be good enough. And let's unload this scene, and here is the eat button. Let's try to eat some bananas. If I press the E key, it's not eating the banana. Why? Why? Here is the eat banana, and the button is missing. This is the eat banana from back. Okay, what was the it's under the weapon with the method of it's a banana from the back. It's under the weapon. Weapon eat a banana from the back with this button. Let's unload this scene again, and let's try to eat a banana, and now it's eating its bananas, and now it's disabled for a while, and after the time period is finished, yes, it's enabled again. What else? I want to implement this door collisions for the player to get over the doors and to see that what's behind these doors. So let's have a on collision enter 2D if collision that's transform that's tag equals to the player debug that's log. Let's tell him that you are touching the door, and do you want to proceed? And while before having an answer for this question, let's just find player, which is the collision transform get components, the player component, the layer component, and disable controls. Also, let's disable the attack. In order to do this, transform get components and under the weapon, if I remember correctly. Nope, it's not under the weapon. It's under the line render. So for here, let's find object of type and get the line renderer drawer. Disable attacks before proceeding further. Also let's have a GUI field and create a dialog section over here, or maybe on the screen, to have a confirm button and escape button. Okay, mask image, background image. If I disable the mask image, then I can use this background image. Let's just make it something more gray, and disable the mask image. Add this guy a little bit of transparency. 35 would be enough, and under the rendering order, after this background image, I want the UI text field, UI TMP text field as you are entering the zone of the tiger. Do you want to proceed or something like this? And also not under the background image, but I want another parent as the background text background image. And inside here, let's just implement an image. And how about using something from the PowerPoint? With some effects like this one. This is for like a button, not this, not this, not this. Okay, this is looking good, and maybe have something purple. And dark purple for the shape outline, and save as a picture. Under the files, under the Unity project, under the last one, under the assets, and under the, not under scripts, but under sprites. Welcome text background. Here it is, here you are. Okay, this is ugly, but this is the thing that I have right now. 350, 100, how about making this sprite as nice list. Custom outline, enter it. Apply this and oh no, that's not the thing that I am looking for. So this is the text background, this is sliced, tiled, not this field. But I do not want this to change in the within the corner. So how about $350 and $350 over here. Let's apply this and see that if I would be managed to get the effect that I wanted. And now the sliced effect is actually closer to the thing that I wanted. Nope. Pivot center. How to line slice. How to line slice images. Unity. Okay, this is just getting the image to the corner. To the corners, so this one should be work. This approach should work also, but it's not working. If I get the corners into the middle, move the corners into the middle, it's become better. But whatever. Let's use it as it is. And 600, 180. Get the text over the borders. Not 20, 20, 20, 20. Like, and this is really ugly. The color choices I have made is it's really ugly, and I would probably need to make some changes with the colors of this section. And also let's add 2 more buttons underneath. UI button. Okay, where is the buttons? Slider, toggle, scroll bar, button. Okay, and button says yes and no. Yes with the color of green. Yes button, then no button. The no button should be the color of red with the text of no. And if I press the no button, I just want this UI element to be disabled and let the player to play more with the within the tutorial section. And actually I want to use the sizes of this each section, the each button also within the yes and no buttons. And set this also. And where was the eat button? Eat banana. 140. 140. And another 140 with the, let's set the outline as the same. And let's just copy the outline component from the eat button. Paste component as new. Okay, this is better. This looks better. So when this thing is enabled, I also want the background image to be okay. This should not be the, if I enable the background image, I can select, I can find the, I can see the yes and no buttons. Also let's set the yes and no buttons amount left. paste components values. So what's wrong? And this is wrong. And also paste components values over here as them to be over here. And what I want when the no button is pressed, I just want to select this background image and set the game object of the background image to false. And when I press the yes button, I want it to proceed to load the level that I wanted. And in order to do this, I want to add a new game object as the scene manager in order to track down the scene controls. Scene manager as a new script. And when this yes button is pressed, it should check that which door is triggered, which section is triggered. And let's find the scene manager. Let's have a section as the public enumeration of the scenes. Scenes to load. Tiger scene and also the bullfight. Bull scene. Tiger fight scene and bullfight scene, and let's have a parameter as public scenes to load selected scene. And let's have a method as the public void set selected scene with the scenes to load new scene. And this should just update the selected scene and set the selected scene as the new scene. And I want this set selected scene to be called from the door section. So also implement the same enumeration for the doors. This door leads to. And also over here, instead of scenes to load, can I use the scene manager dots? Scene manager dot scenes to load. Yes, it's possible. And if I change the door type, let's also find object of type scene manager set selected scene with the this door leads to. And under the scene manager, these are happening. So I also managed to implement the disable attack and disable controls. How about add a function for enable attack and enable controls, but not under the collision section, but under the scene manager. Enable player attack and player controls. Instead of collision.transform, let's find the object of type, the player. And I want to assign this method under the no button. When it is pressed, I want to change the hey King Hobbit. I'm fine, and how are you? How are you doing? Actually, I'm feeling a little bit tired because I make some sports today. But anyways, I want to since I want to spend some time on the game also, I'm trying to spend some more time to getting the game ready for releasing. How are you? By the way. And scene manager. This is the no button, and let's also add this scene manager. Okay. There's something wrong, and I have some errors. So scene manager does not contain a definition for load scene. What? Scene manager of Gorilla. Okay, I make a huge mistake that I set the name of this script as the scene manager, which is default scene, and so which creates me some problems. So let's just change the name and the namespace scene manager of Gorilla. Let's change the name of this also, and this thing also. Let's get under the no button, find the scene manager of Gorilla, and when the player presses the no button, it should enable player attack and player controls back. And also I would need a method for, okay, I set the select scene under the scene manager of Gorilla, and also I would need a public void to enable this background image. How many weeks have I been working on this? Actually, I know the days. Yeah, today is the day 27, and it's not. It's more than 4 weeks, I guess. Yes, I want to keep the constraint as 30 days for this game, which is a small game. So it's not really weeks actually. It's around. It should be the day 27 right now, and I put all of the videos. I put all of the recordings with the with tag of the days I have spent. So also I tried to start. I tried to change the. I tried to keep track of the developing of this game by hours. So it's around I can say that it's not more than 30 hours or something like this. So it's not weeks actually, and it's not a really big project that I'm working on. I'm just trying to prototype something. Scene manager of Gorilla also have this serialized field of the background image, but I need to change this background image from the background image to enter door welcome text and have a reference of the door welcome text and enable door welcome text game object set active, then to set this to true. And also I need to update the text fields of this door welcome under this door welcome text, because you are entering the zone of the tiger, and I want this value to be changeable. So let's add this over here and have the tmp text of the welcome text, tmp field, tmp text, welcome text field. And if selected scene equals to tiger fight scene, this dot text field should have the value of this. Also, if selected scene would be the scene to load the bullfight scene, these fields should be the not the tiger but the bull. And for the final thing, I want to keep the it's the zone of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Yes. And also how was the sound, how was the song? By the way, I ran today and I play soccer, and right now I'm hello Tolga, and right now I'm still trying to do this live session. And even though I'm feeling really tired, and oh, Eye of the Tiger, yes, Eye of the Tiger. Maybe I should rename the tiger room as the Eye of the Tiger. Not entering scene. Not entering scene. You're not qualified enough to enter this room. Please turn back. And I want to disable the yes button when the player tries to enter the third room. Yes button. Yes, you should feel really grateful, Toga. Yes. And King Heart, how many scenes do I have like this? Actually, I have planned to prepare 3 scenes for this game, and I just implemented 2 of them because of this time constraint. I do not manage to cover the third scene, and that's why I'm choosing. Actually, yes, you are right. You got a point, and I can use the switch case, but I just want to make it easy and as fast as possible, so I'm not really thinking about the logic of the code uh, with from all of the angles. So I just want to use which one is the fastest to be applicable. And also I want this yes button, game object set active to true. True. True and false over here. And this should do the trick, I guess. Enable door welcome text. Should be also called after the set selected scene is called. And make it private actually. Okay, let's test this out. Test this thing, and I want to make the assignments before running the thing on the scene. So door welcome text should be this field, and welcome text fields. Okay, door welcome text is this one. Welcome text is this one. The yes button is this one, and under the let's just disable this thing over here and find the doors. First door, I want this to be able to make the player able to enter the bullfight scene. Then the second door should be responsible for the tiger scene. Okay, and the third one. And here is the third door. Here should be the third door with not entering. I do not want the player to enter the third one. Entering the zone of the tiger. Do you want to proceed? No. But when I press the no button, okay, the player still cannot move. So there's something wrong because of this. And enable attacks. Eye of the tiger. You're entering the zone of the bull. Do you want to proceed? No. Entering to the zone of the bull? No. However, it feels like there is a problem with the box colliders. Yes, they are too big, and the player just touches the corners, the borders. I want these box colliders to be near the doors actually, and let's just make them a little bit smaller. Second door, third door, and the GUI section. This is the third door. Edit the collider, and it should be good to go. Okay, what's wrong? And this door leads to. And why the scene manager of Gorilla is not enabled? Yes, that's why I just disabled the game object of this UI elements, and yes, that's the problem. Right now I'm having. Okay, thanks for pointing this out. Since I disabled the UI elements, I cannot see this. Okay, this is the tiger. Now I can make some movements and collect some bananas. Let's try to eat one banana and increase the health. You are not qualified enough to enter this room. Please turn back. Okay. No. Yes. When I pressed yes, I want this door to load the scene that I wanted. So let's implement those ones also. Here is the yes button, and underneath the yes button I need to assign something. So under the scene manager of Gorilla, let's have the load selected scene. Public void load selected scene, and under the scene manager load scene. Okay, file build settings. I only have the bullfight scene. Let's add the other two scenes into the equation, and here is the tiger fight, and here should be the welcome scene. If the tiger fight is selected, and if bullfight is selected, let's load the scene over here, and what I need is this scene names. This is for the tiger fight, and this is for the bullfight scene. And I want to assign this under the yes button. So let's add a action over here and get the scene manager. Okay, first reload the domain. Load selected scene. When I enter the first one, do you want to proceed? Yes. Then the bullfight can start. Okay, let's try the second tour. Tiger, do you want to proceed? Yes. Then the tiger starts, but I do not understand why it starts like this. So it's good to go, and it seems like I managed to implement some points, implement the things, and also I would like to have a type of tutorial over here. So do I have any dummy targets? Their targets. Oh, thank you, King Howitt, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. How about using this as the dummy? But first, I need to make this dummy target sprite. Here is the sprite. I play it and try to move this within the scene. What's my native language? It's Turkish, actually. And if you know Turkish, I can also speak in Turkish. Here's the daily target sprites. So, using something like this, Maybe I need to implement something dummy for the targets, or it's another animation. Dummy small running. Where are the patterns, meshes? Okay, let's just try to use a type of animal for the target practice. So, what kind of animal can I use for this target practice? Deer, elephant, giraffe, hippo, or zebra? Lioness, no. Gorilla, kangaroo, monkey, maybe. Or use the owls for target practice. Mm-hmm. So the gorilla can hurt the monkey. Maybe. Why not? For the target practice, or maybe a mule. Or a porcupine. Not the wolf, but raccoon, meerkat. Okay, let's just use monkey as the target practice. So, find the monkeys. I like this little guy over here, and I want to explain the player that this monkey would be the target practice rather than this one, and it can hurt the monkey however it wants. Or should I just use a gorilla? Maybe a flamingo. Okay, monkey, use the monkey. Let's use the monkey. Because gorillas do not like the monkeys. Maybe. Over here, find GUI, find the demo studio, and over here, open up the prefab, get the monkey under here. Here is our little guy, and find the mesh model. And add the animations. So the monkey has these animations. Eat animation, damage animation. Does it have the damage animation? Rest animation, jump animation, idle attack. Okay, it has the damage animation, and that's the thing that I wanted. Attack, damage, die animation, eat animation, idle animation, jump animation. Okay, I do not use the rest of these animations, but let's just add them within the scene if I would need them in any case. So here is our little monkey, and If I move this, okay, the monkey has the ground pivots, and it has its shadow underneath. So here is the studio and bake all models. And monkey is trying to do all of the animations. But I suppose that there is a problem over here, that all of the baking seems like it just bakes the walk animation, but I'm not really sure about this. Dungeon, gorilla, tiger. Here is the monkey. It just baked the bake selected model with its all animations, but it just tries to bake the walk animation. Why? Because I make an error over here. This is the attack, this is the damage, this is die, eat, idle as the 0, jump, rest, run, and walk. Now this should do the trick. And I would tell the player to throw some bananas, or maybe make some damage over the monkey. And now player can learn to interact with the monkey, to learn in order to learn what would be the main actions for the gorilla that is suitable for him to do, for the player to do. Let's unload this scene and get our little monkey into the scene. Here is the idol with the angle that I wanted. Let's use this angle as the dummy enemy. Dummy monkey. Here's our little monkey, and this is this is small. This is really small. So scale it up like this, maybe, and also add an animator over the monkey. Let's just copy the same animator from the gorilla under the monkey section. Copy components. Get this under the monkey. Here is the gorilla animator, and let's duplicate this and name this as the monkey animator. Okay, dummy enemy, dummy monkey. Here is the monkey animator, and I need to assign the animations that I have generated, that I have created for the monkey. Monkey. This is for the die animation. Let's start with the idle animation. Okay, 207-degree idle animation. Let's go over here. Here is monkey and another monkey animation. monkey. Copy the name. Okay, just use this one. This is for the damage animation, I suppose. And damage animation is already also implemented. Find the run animation. This would be the melee attack, which is animal gorilla attack. Okay, monkey attack. Monkey attack. Monkey eat. And for the last one, monkey attack again. So it's good to go, and also let's change the pixels per unit for each animation. And it seems like I forgot to implement this die animation for the monkey. Monkey die. Monkey die. Monkey die. With this pixel per unit is 10. Okay. Now view 2 is 10 and rest section like this, and walk, damage, updated, and run, and also melee attack. I do not feel that I would use any of these animations, but let's just implement them in any case, because implementing them after the first implementation is finalized, it seems like it's just time consuming. So let's turn my little monkey to the left. And here you are. Here is our little dummy monkey, which is ready to be thrown. So let's have this enemy script over the monkey, and I do not okay, now it doesn't have any effect, it doesn't have any movements. So here is the enemy layer, and let's add this enemy tag. Enemy tag for the monkey, and place. Okay, I still forgot to add this rigid body 2D, and add a collider, circle collider 2D. And monkey starts running around. So freeze position, freeze rotation. I do not want any of this gravity scale thing, and it seems like I'm running out of time. Unassigned variable enemy animator has not been assigned within the enemy. So let's assign this enemy animator to have some kind of damage effect. Okay, object now set to instance of an object. Which is it? The enemy health. Let's also add this enemy health section. Enemy mine, enemy rotating shields. Danger zone. The main enemy. However, my time is up. So for the final thing, let me just. Okay. I understand. My time is up. For the final thing, let me just find the enemy field and enable this and update the image as the monkey. Maybe like this one. And I want this image to be able to see. By the way, I may need to update this monkey visual because it's not really good right now. Let's have a note for tomorrow's work. And add that add monkey interactable to teach the player the long range attack. Long range attack, melee attack, and eat banana and got damage, which would be basically a thing that would be a tutorial. So anyway, that's it for today, and I'm feeling really tired right now, and I'm stopping over here. And tomorrow, on the day 28, I would like to continue on this game development series, and I hope that tomorrow I would manage to spend more time on this because right now the game is still in the early phase, and I need to implement some dialogue flows over here to tell the player that it needs to get close to the monkey and throw some bananas over the monkey, and the monkey should start eating in order to be not getting dead by the player. And the scenes are implemented already, but the dialogue section is still missing. And also, I would need to playtest the bosses once more. And finally, I need to add some music. I want to add some music and damage effects, damage for the player. And also, I forgot that I'm not really feeling good about this dash mechanic. So I may have remove this from the game altogether. And let's just give a question mark for the dash mechanic. And that's it for today. Have a nice day, have a great evening wherever you are. And that's all for me for now.